Hello everyone. From last couple of days or few days, every one of us is staying at home due to coronavirus. And during this period, every one of us is doing some different sort of activities. I know some students like Rashi are staying at home. They are might be enjoying their holidays and all, but during this period every one of you have done new ever type of activities because everyone is getting a time, valuable time, to spend with a family, right? So I decided yesterday to have a small interview with Rashi and let know about whatever she had done during this past corona period. So, hello again and welcome to our small sort of activity, sort of interview. Hi Rashi. I have very first question to you. Have you enjoyed this corona period or not?
Yes, sure, I have enjoyed it a lot. But first, for few days, I felt very bored because there was nothing to do and I was missing the school days. But afterwards, I have made one schedule and routine for my daily time.
Okay, I have one another question. So I know I come to know that you have during the first period you have nothing to do, and afterwards, how do you start your routine, new routine? You can say Corona routine. The very first thing you are done in this.
First, when I get up, I think to do something very different. So I draw different rangolis on few occasions, like on Ram Navami also and Hanuman Jayanti. I drew few rangolis which were on my behalf.
And what about school activities? Those were shut down during that, or there were no activities during that period?
Some activities were there, means for us, our teachers sent us the homework, housework. So I completed few of them. I would like to show it.
Okay, you have with you. Please,
Yes.
please, you can show one of the activity.
So this is my English BA. It is based on the review of 15 days. So in this I have made the clock type 15. It is a day clock. So continuously till 15 days I have showed the activities whichever I have done in this 15 days.
Okay, fine. This is very first activity you have done.
Yes.
Right. Apart from that, anything new you have done during this period? Like any chart sort of things or something you have done for your family and all?
Yes, means one day the Dauji came at our house, so they told the whole
History.
family tree and history of our family. So I made, for knowing myself and for my knowledge, I made it. I would like to show.
Please. Oh.
So this is the family tree
Yes,
of
yes, yes.
Bahiti family.
This is done by you, right? Right.
Yes.
Yes, I remember this. A few days before you are done, all are the
All the
members.
sisters and brothers are shown.
Yes, very good, very good. Then drawing is one of your habit. Everyone is familiar with that. I come to know that there are various competitions in which you have drawn certain drawings, but before from that you have drawn some nature drawings or something on canvas and all.
Yes.
Any kind of canvas painting you have done during this period?
Yes.
Can you show it?
So this is the canvas painting which I have done based on the seasons. So this is the summer season and this is the winter season. In this I have used acrylic colors and it was a fun activity for me.
Okay, great, great, great. And
One more drawing.
apart from that, I hope you have helped your grandmother in doing certain home works also. Can you explain them? Yes.
Yes, I can. As are the house workers don't come at our house as it is locked
Why?
down.
Why?
As it is locked down.
Okay, fine.
So I help my grandparents and parents for cleaning the house, means sweeping and then cleaning it with wet cloth and cleaning the dust.
Okay.
etc.
Anything new you have learned from your grandma during this period for cooking or all something?
Yes, I have learned how to prepare a chapati, puran poli, also different chipped wafers, which are something new which I made in this vacation. This was only as a mini Diwali only.
Okay, fine, fine. Then something new like drawing competitions. You have gone for certain
Yes.
drawing, and if I'm remembering, there is one essay writing competition also. So you have drawn one picture for that. Can you show it to us,
Yes, sure.
please? Yes, you can open it on the. Yeah, this is the good one. Right, right.
So-
Can you explain this? What is this?
So in this I have showed the clock. It is a drawing for the competition.
What was
which
the name
like,
for that competition?
The theme was तू सध्या काय करते.
Okay, great, great.
So through this drawing, I wanted to explain that what I do during this during one
Can you
day.
please explain this? Yes.
So now here I have shown the same color for the line also time, which shows here it's 11 o'clock. So for at 11 o'clock I draw a rangoli.
Okay.
At 12 o'clock I do this color drawing and coloring. And now it's TV time here. So I see that Ramayan, it is most important for me because it shows different characters and their qualities.
Yeah. So
Next.
you have seen the Ramayana of
The first Ramayan.
first Ramayana. Very good, very good.
Then I do the reading. I have read the Room of the Roof book, which was the task given by our teachers.
Okay.
Then also this I have shared already that I help my grandparents for cleaning the house. Then I do the exercises, which is keeping, etc. Then it's enjoying nature. As on our terrace we have planted many trees, so I water those trees. And at the last, that is at 9 o'clock, I prepare food and have a dinner time
Okay.
with family.
Right, right, right. And what about anything new you have drawn during this period? Anything like say another drawings? What sort of drawings you have done during this
I
period?
have drew a scenery drawing also.
Can you show it to us? Yeah, it's a good one. It looks like.
So this is the scenery drawing which I tried with pencil colors, and
Wow.
just I have showed this fountain and trees with watercolors.
Anything extra?
Uh,
Okay, so this
so
is one of
can
the
you guess
beautiful
this?
pictures.
It is of Shariu ma'am. I have tried it for first time. It was my challenge by my father.
Okay.
So I tried it with the check style.
Great, great, great. Anything new? Anything extra? Yes, yes. This
This
was
was
a challenge you have received from your chachi. She is at Vizag, right?
Yes.
She had given you the picture and
This
you are
was
drawing
a
this.
challenge for me.
Great, great,
I
great.
completed it.
Yes. Anything extra? Yes, yes. This is yesterday's drawing. What you are trying so far, right?
This was
What is explaining? What is thought in this drawing? Can you explain,
the
please?
theme is my dream. So through this I wanted to show what is my dream. So
Okay.
I showed the eye. It shows that I am dreaming, and my dream is to become a dancer. So this is Bharatnatyam dancer, which shows the jewelry, music, etc. So
Okay.
through this I wanted to give the message that my dream is to become a dancer.
Okay. Apart from this, anything different you have done during this corona period? Can you please tell me about that?
Means I have my mother have found a few maths problems which I tried to solve with the help of my parents and Sunil sir. So
Okay.
these are few maths questions which I tried to solve
Fine, fine.
of this ratio and proportion and their word problems, etc.
Okay. So these are from where? It is.
Prajakti Gokhale.
Okay.
I think it is from Pune.
Okay, fine. Anything extra you have done during this period?
I have did my BAs also.
Okay.
So this is the BA of Social Science, States of India.
Apart from this, I hope you learn to play something different also. Are you learn or you have played with your grandfather something? I remember. What sort of games you are playing with him?
Means at the evening time, we come on the terrace and then we try to play cards. And by my father, I have learned how to play rummy.
Okay. That is important one. Again, something extra, can you show
Not
to?
extra, but this was the challenge and BA given by our teacher
Okay.
of LMT maths. And this is my maths BA. It was based on pictograph.
Okay.
So I have prepared a pictograph on awareness about corona, means coronavirus only. So
Okay.
here are 5 states. I have showed there how many are facing coronavirus, and here through this I have shown it through pictograph data.
Fine, very fine. Then
And these
apart
are
from
the
this, I
questions.
want to ask you one another question. I learned that a few days before you tried something different. That is, say during this period only, you learn making of something from your grandmother. Just 2 days before something you have tried, right? Can
I
you
have
please?
also I have learned of preparing shankar pie and meaty papdi. So
Okay.
it was one task only for me
Okay.
to prepare.
Anything different you have tried during this period?
I have also read this book that is Golden Fairy Tales.
Okay.
In these there are different fairy tales also.
Okay, so that is very good.
And for grammar, my grammar, as Kavita ma'am gave us one task of grammar tenses. So for tenses, I read this book and I got cleared. And then when first was there, many were wrong, but in second chance, almost all were correct.
Okay, I remember something different also. From your school also, they have done some sessions for you by using some technology or something. Can you please explain it? What sort of technology you people have
And
learned?
for maths, our online session, only one session was there, in which Priyanka ma'am, our maths teacher, she showed through a PPT that how to calculate area.
Okay, very good.
Means in her own voice, she explained us and she gave the task by her textbook.
So you learn how to use online softwares for such kind of task and all?
It's computer software only, means, and how to use computer also.
Okay.
It is an electronic appliance. So I learned how to use Kahoot app, and I remember that I have prepared one question bank for my friends to solve related to India
Okay.
for coronavirus only, and for us also.
Okay.
One simple task.
There is
for
one Zoom app also, na? You
Yes.
have gone through that Zoom app. Do you know what sort of use your, if I'm not wrong, your staff members or teachers have given you something on Zoom app? Like
Not Zoom, but means not exactly anything, but we meet each other
Okay.
for once at least, and but not all, because of the network problems we
Fine.
could not meet each other.
But you learn that thing,
But
na?
learn
How to use Zoom and all. Right. Anything extra? You have some canvas work with you?
This is my canvas pad, and on this I have drew this picture.
Okay.
It was searched by, it was given by Vaishali.
Fine. And during your this vacations time, what sort of other things you used to do, like playing with them? If I'm remembering that you call 2 of your students at home, they are doing something. Can you please explain?
Means now for the first time I have become a drawing teacher
Okay.
for my neighboring friends. So they come and get learn different types of drawings and sketches. So I am trying to give my best.
Okay, fine. And what about your small sister Bhavi?
She is our entertainment only. We play with her a lot. She makes us lot entertained, and also many things we do with her.
Okay, so during this Corona time, you have done number of things, right?
Yes.
And can you want to give a small message to all your friends?
Means I am going to say that don't get bored. There are many activities like me only. I also felt very bored, but after when I got these many things and to do, so I learned many things. And also one more thing I have learned, that is how to sing a bhajan
Okay.
and playing dhol a little bit.
Again, you have some corona message with you, which you want to share with others, that stay at home or something like that.
You have to stay at home only, but don't get bored. Do some different activities. Learn cooking, learn drawing, read, learn grammar, and also you can learn on computers like
I
Kahoot app.
hope you must thank your teachers also, because they are motivating you for doing such activities right now. So you must say something for them also.
I thank the teachers of our school, that Kavita means, Priyanka means, Vaishali means, and all teachers, that they give us such interesting tasks, so we enjoy to do it.
Okay, so again, this is a small interview with one of the student of Amrutvayani International Cambridge, and she is in front of you. I myself, Sachin Baheti, and in front of me is Rashi. Thank you for listening to us. Goodbye.